My name is Tyler, and I'm from iCode Southlake, the #1 STEM school for after-school programs and summer camps. Please watch as we show you a little video of what we're going to be doing this week.
Yo, look at this family, a work of art. Each thread is strong from the start. Grandma's tales, they light up the room. Grandpa's wisdom like a guiding broom. Mom's love, it's like a warm embrace. Dad's strength in every single race. Siblings by my side through thick and
These are
thin.
pictures from other iCode camps and classes we've done. We do Roblox, Minecraft, Game Builder, YouTube, and so much more. If you liked what you saw today, and you want your kids to have fun while still learning, come sign up for iCode classes and camps today.